Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. This is the third and final video in my Power Lead System upgrade series of videos. We're now going to be taking a look at Master Traffic Institute. This is the platform and course that you can purchase to unlock $1,000 commissions. So we're going to get to the video right now, and I will do a wrap-up of this video series after the video is over, and let's take a look.
Introducing a game-changing new product called Master Traffic Institute, jam-packed with over 20 must-have courses from some of the industry's top earners. They'll be revealing their best-kept secrets, including how they generate massive amounts of quality traffic on a daily basis. In addition to its insane value, this product pays out $1,000 commissions over and over again. That's right. As a buyer of Master Traffic Institute, for every one of your referrals who logs into their back office and clicks on the button to purchase Master Traffic Institute, you're going to earn a massive $1,000 commission. This means the system is doing all the selling for you, not you. You don't have to tell anybody about this system because we'll do all the selling and all the explaining in this one simple video. Just one of your referrals upgrading per week is $4,000 per month in your pocket. Now imagine what it would mean for you and your family with just 2 or 3 upgrades per week. That's what we call life-changing income. But here's where it gets even better, because every time one of your referrals makes a $1,000 commission for themselves, you get paid a massive $200 override. With just 2 of your referrals getting 1 upgrade per week, you pocket an additional $1,600 per month. 5 referrals doing the same is $4,000 per month in extra income. And there's no limit to this income. You could be earning $200 overrides from dozens and dozens of people. So if you need traffic, you need to learn from the very best. You'll watch over their shoulder and see exactly how they became masters of generating traffic and builders of giant businesses. Introducing our all-star lineup of some of the finest trainers and leaders this industry has ever seen. Manny Lopez is a paid consultant on lead generation to over 800 brands worldwide, including clients like Les Brown and Forbes Riley. Sean Powell has led leaderboards and made between $10,000 to $40,000 per month in his first 90 days in 3 different businesses, all without any paid advertising. Rob Frazier went from a full-time Marine to a full-time entrepreneur. He's a master at creating content which has helped him personally sponsor over 10,000 people into various opportunities. And then there's Jeff Gardner, an 8-figure earner in the home-based business industry with over 30 years of experience. He's been the #1 enroller in multiple companies, including building a team of over 24,000 distributors. Michael Price has been the multi-level marketing trainer of the year and one of a select few to serve as a paid trainer to support Tony Robbins' clients at his major events. Max Steingart has dedicated his life to harnessing the power of social media for every type of business. He is considered by many the industry's world leader in social media marketing. Bob and Nicole Schwartz generate thousands of leads through their direct mail publications. They have over 15 years of experience mailing hundreds of thousands of pieces of mail. George Madu is the founder of the Network Marketing magazine. He's an entrepreneur that has owned over 30 businesses in his career with degrees in marketing and management. Franco Gonzalez has been a full-time internet marketer for over 17 years, and he specializes in traffic generation, list building, and sales conversions online. And finally, Jeff Mills. Having co-created over $25 million of products and services since 2003, Jeff is the man to help you transform a business into a booming success. Jeff is a master of marketing systems. He speaks to people all over the world, helping them grow their businesses through automation by working less and making more money. Imagine never having to chase or convince your prospects ever again. Imagine never having to worry about how to generate traffic for your business and get qualified leads daily when you apply what you learned when you purchase and consume the content of the Master Traffic Institute. Imagine making $1,000 commissions over and over again with unlimited $200 overrides. This course could easily retail over $7,600, but it's available right now for only $14.97. And when you place your order today, you'll get instant access to over 20 life-changing courses created by 12 of the industry's leading entrepreneurs. And remember, by making your purchase today, you're instantly eligible to make $1,000 commissions on every personal referral, plus unlimited $200 overrides on all of their referrals, but only if you step up and purchase Master Traffic Institute today. Simply click that buy button below and get instant access to this powerful course.
Okay guys, so that is Master Traffic Academy. That's actually the first time I've ever seen this video. This was a course that they put out in Power Lead System a couple of months ago, and this is the final one. This is the one that you can make $1,000 commissions off of. And the awesome thing about all three of these upgrades here is each one has extra residuals on it. Like these have the $50 overrides. These have the $200 overrides every time your referrals make sale on these two things. They get the $400 or $1,000 commission, but you still get a $50 override here on Social Profit Academy and Platinum, and in MIT you get $200 overrides. And then here it's very similar to the Gold, where you get a 25% match bonus on all the pass-ups that go to your sponsor. But if you want to learn more about that Diamond, the pass-up part, then we'll just you just watch the first video. But so anyways guys, the extra residuals you can make, and simply making more than just the $20 commissions up here. You can make the $100, the $400, and the $1,000 commissions for life once you make the one-time payments. These are not monthly payments. They're one-time purchases, and that's it. It's that simple. As you can see, these two are red. I'm not qualified for these two, like I've said in my other videos. I want you guys to get as much as you can out of this business, and I want you guys to be set up for success and everything. So real quick, I'm just going to go to the official Power Lead System Facebook group right here. When you become a member of ILP and Power Lead System, you should definitely join this group. Just type in official Power Lead System. Just put official Power Lead System, and it'll take you right to this group. And in this, and like any other Facebook group, Facebook groups in ILP and Power Lead System are here for support, to help you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. It's also here to inspire you. There are hundreds of thousands of people in this group right here, over 46,000 people, and every day we're posting our results. We're showing the people that are new that this system works, and it does. And let's see if I can see something here. See, another gold membership. These people are posting everything. Let's see. Let me see if I can find something here. Right here, got some leads here. 2 new gold members. So anyways, that's what these Facebook groups are all about. Let's trying to see. Oh, anyways, so yeah, they post our results. I'm going to show you our Internet Lifestyle Pros Facebook group. This one is not for the general public. You have to be a member of Power Lead System and Internet's Lifestyle Pros, but same deal here. We post trainings, we post inspiring content. Let's see. We post our results. Like this one right here. Take this one for instance. 9 leads. He got 1 diamond, so that's $100. A fast start bonus. A fast start bonus is the platinum package. He got a platinum sale, and so that's $500. And then he got a gold member right here, so that's $520 that he made off these 9 leads, and that's money in your pocket. And that's how you build your business, by showing people, by getting seen, like I do right in this video, and I've done in my other videos. And if you work the system and you follow the training that we have in Internet Lifestyle Pros, if you want to learn more about Internet Lifestyle Pros, at the end of every one of these videos, there is a link that will pop up. Just make sure you it'll say Internet Lifestyle Pros Review and Business Overview. Make sure you just click that link, and it'll take you to that video, and you can watch the whole presentation that I did on my business. And then that way you can get an overview of everything that it's all about. And in those videos, I give it's more of a basic overview, because you're going to learn everything inside the system. We're going to walk you through everything. So take a look at that video. And that's it, guys. That ends the series. I hope you enjoyed the videos. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. And also make sure beneath this video is the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and when you do that, a bell icon will pop up right next to it. Make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you'll get notified when I put up new content. And lately, I guess over the last week or so, I've uploaded at least 5 videos. No, actually, it's getting close to 6 videos. There's 3 tonight that I'm doing the series, and I'm uploading them all tonight as well. So I've been a little busy. So so anyways, guys, all my links are in the description. My link to my business opportunity, my Facebook link. There's a link to if you want to buy some paid traffic for ILP or anything you're promoting. There's a link to Udimi. You can get traffic through them as well. But so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.